What's going on, guys? Do not click off of this channel. I'm telling you, don't scroll, don't click, just watch. So today, I got 15 mods from Amazon that's gonna make your truck noticeable. So my truck spent its first 46,000 miles as a stock Raptor in Charlotte, North Carolina. Prior to buying the Raptor, I had already logged hundreds of research hours into what build I wanted for my YouTube channel. So I decided to jump in the truck and make the road trip all the way down to Winder, Georgia, all the way down to Akins Ford. They are the only Ford dealership in the United States that I know of that does the Indo Raptor package on these trucks. So they work their magic and install a BDS or FabTech 4-inch suspension lift on the Raptors. They also add a set of wheels, tires, and a custom paint scheme to match to bring everything together. So that's just giving you some backstory to the major first mods of the Raptor. Okay. But I know you're thinking, what does this have to do with me and my truck? Well, the rest of the build is through Amazon. That's right. I've done a ton more mods through Amazon, and I'm going to share those with you right now. Amazon mod number one. One of the first mods that anybody ought to do to their truck or car for that matter is a shorty antenna. Yeah, get rid of that big long 3-foot job that's on there and get you a shorty antenna. They look awesome, and in today's market you do not lose any performance of the radio unless you're trying to pick up Tokyo AM radios. Then you might need one in big whip antennas. Amazon mod number 2. Every single one of us needs a good set of Husky liners. Driver, passenger, rear. Yep, we need them. Amazon's got them. So you could just go to Walmart or the parts store, whatever, up the street. You could get you a set of generic floor mats. They're going to slide around. They're not going to be what you wanted. You're just wasting your money. You can see the Husky liners, they're molded to the floor. In my opinion, you can't go wrong with the top-notch quality, fitment, and price-wise only on Amazon. Amazon mod number 3. So the trim bezel on the taillights is not part of the Indo Raptor package. As you guys can see, it's a black painted trim piece that I've installed. I've got it on Amazon, and I guess you can do it in colors or you can have it painted, but I just ordered black. It really accents the stock tail light, and it's called a trim bezel. So don't get me wrong, I would love to have a set of Morimoto tail lights, but for the price, you put that trim bezel on there, sets you apart. I've gotten numerous questions about these tail lights. Where'd you pick up those aftermarket tail lights? They're factory. That's factory. Amazon mod number 4 is actually under the hood. All of you guys, Coyote and EcoBoost guys alike, need the catch can from Evil Energy. Another inexpensive mod worth its weight in gold. Found it on Amazon. Evil Energy catch cans. So I come inside the truck to give y'all number 5, Amazon mod number 5. And I just realized there is 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9 all together in the same vicinity. So it's like, why not cover them all at once? So 5 through 9, let's do this. Amazon mod number 5. The WeatherTech cup phone. It'll hold any size phone. It's got adjustments, top, middle, and bottom, left and right, and also it fits different size cups. So for the cup holders, you can take as many out or add as many to fit different sizes. So, and this thing is neat. Amazon mod number 6. The bullet point mounting solutions. All right, that's these arms, this mounting deck back here, and you can see it's got an arm right here, so it will mount your phones, your cameras, your radar detectors, your GPS, just about anything. They have mounts for that. So that is a huge plus, and it fits on the F150s. You can see it fits in the deck up there. Amazon mod number 7. Everybody needs a good radar detector. That's right. I've got it mounted up high. I've got a mount that attaches to the headliner, so I still get to keep my sun visor. It's pretty cool. I'll put links to the radar detector and also the mounts up there. But like I said before, with the bullet point, you could mount it down here if you wanted to, but it just worked. It was out of the way up here, so I love it. Everybody needs a good radar detector. Amazon mod number 8. So next on the list is the 12-inch touchscreen display I have, and it is something else, guys. So we're moving up in the price range right here. Y'all check it out. Let me know. It's got everything you need. I mean, we go through the cameras, the backup cameras, everything works, and it works like it should. We also, down here, it controls, it keeps everything from seat heaters to the seat coolers. So my touchscreen has it all. It has everything you need with no regrets. Okay, for the money, it's really good. I am totally pleased with it. So just be sure which one you order, make sure it's got all the features and everything works as advertised. Do the reviews on them. So whether you buy this one or you buy another one on Amazon or off another website, do your research. But I'm happy with mine. Amazon mod number 9. Right here, guys. See the flash and power light and the flash and record light? That'll tell you exactly. That's a traffic cam or a dash cam, as some will say. And the bullet point mounting solutions works great with it. So got my wire ran right up beside it, down through the dash. So it comes on when the truck's running. It's got a card inside it that records all the time that the truck's on. And I'm pretty sure that even when the truck's off, it has like an impact sensor that if something's happened to the truck, it will come on. So that's pretty neat. I'll put links to all of these mods. This one, this one, this one, this one, and oh, where did it go? It is mobile. That's right. You can take it. And what's so cool about the WeatherTech, let me come back here and show you. Put it in the back cup holders of the F-150 for the passengers in the back. Is that not cool? Amazon mod number 10. How many trucks from the factory have these nice wheel well liners? Not many, I can tell you. I don't care if you own an XL, XLT, Limited, Lariat, Platinum, whatever, doesn't matter. They usually leave these out. Now, I have seen a couple dealerships add them, then they charge you a couple thousand extra on the bill. Even the Raptors come without them. And that's just crazy to me. But luckily, Amazon has got your back. Ordered mine off Amazon, put them in. Wasn't that hard to do. I actually love them. People ask me all the time, man, did that come like that on that Raptor? Nope. You figure you give 60, 70, 80, 90, 100,000 for a truck if you come with wheel well liners. Nope. Shame on Ford, but thumbs up to Amazon. Mod number 11. Every single truck that I know of has tow hooks. And if you got tow hooks, you need these covers. So this is what the truck looks like without tow hook covers. The black tow hooks. And yes, you can take a spray can and you can tape off everything and spray them. But the first time you hook something to them, you're going to scratch that paint off. It's going to look terrible, and it's a job to upkeep after painting them. So that's why I'm introducing these. You pick them up on Amazon. They are rubber tow hook covers in all colors to fit your vehicle, your application. They've got, for the front and the rear, different styles too. If you've got like a horseshoe style, half moon style, they have them all to fit your truck. And it's got a slit in the bottom. You can take them off, take them inside, put them in the dishwasher, or just rinse them out in the sink like I'm doing right here. They clean up really easy. And I've been asked many times, do they fall off going down the road? And the answer is absolutely not. Now, Mike, what if I take it through one of those automatic car washes and it jerks them off of there? Yeah, I mean, first off, why are you taking your car through that anyhow? That's another video. Don't even get me started on, I swear. I'll add links in the description so you guys can pick up your tow hook covers today on Amazon. Amazon mod 12 and 13. It is dark out here. Mod number 12 is the rock lights from Mick Tuning on Amazon, and mod number 13 are the wheel lights from Mick Tuning on Amazon. And I don't know about y'all, but I figured it would brighten up some stuff out here, but that's kind of spooky. That red, I'm telling you. But it's multicolored. There's tons of colors. You can switch it. You can go from red to green to yellow. Even have blue. These Mick Tuning rock and wheel lights are super bright and surprisingly affordable. The color choices and possibilities are absolutely endless. You can switch them up in between the wheel lights and the rock lights. You can make them flash just like this. It's absolutely awesome to see everybody's reaction. Look at this, even got the RGB plus W. That's white, guys. Plus W means you can do all whites under the truck. On mine, it really shows off the white suspension under the truck. Mod number 14. Everybody that owns a truck gotta have one of these. This is another neat product of Mick Tuning. Just like the wheel lights and the rock lights, it's a fourth brake light, as I like to call it, or a truck tailgate light bar. And you can see it does reverse, lights fully red for brakes. It'll go flashing amber for left turn signal, flashing amber for right turn signal. It will even flash both ways when you put your hazard lights on. And notice when the brakes aren't on, you can turn your parking lights on and it will just light up a light red versus the bright red when the brake lights are on. So pretty cool. This is one mod I highly recommend for added safety, especially in traffic with approaching cars behind you. Make sure they can see you. So there we go. That's 14 bad to the bone mods. Oh, that's right. It's supposed to be 15. Well, but before I give you the 15, let me tell you about bad to the bone. Man, when I was a kid, I was bullied. That's right, bullied. Man, it was terrible. I was in my grandmother's neighborhood. This little kid wanted to fight me like fists all the time. I was scared. I ran in the house. My grandmother said, "Hey boy, you either fight him or you fight me." And I grew up a lot that day, let me tell you. Because I whooped that old woman's ass all over that house. And finally, the last Amazon mod, number 15. So I saved the most expensive mod for last, guys. Number 15 is going to be the amp power steps. And they are relatively expensive, but for what you get in the power step package, I mean, man, they drop down 3 to 5 inches further than the factory steps that are on the trucks. So if you're lifted in any way, it's a huge benefit. But even if you're stock, they drop them down, and it allows people shorter in stature, like your kids, your grandkids, your elderly parents that you've got to get in your truck sometimes. It's just one of the biggest benefits of all of the mods that I've listed. So yeah, you get what you pay for. It is more expensive, but just, you can't beat it. And when I say they drop down further, the factory running boards only come to about the bottom of the door right there. So you're still having to step up a good amount. But with these things, see how far they drop down? Retract, they go all the way up under, out of the way, hidden completely. So there you go, everybody. 15 absolutely awesome mods that you can pick up on Amazon. So if you guys like this video, I sure appreciate it if you'd head on over to the channel page, check out all my other videos. I've got hundreds. Got a lot more on the Raptor package, so you better check it out. Why? Because this video is over. Finite, done, wrap. See y'all.